Hey, this is Caden with RMUS here to talk about the BRINC Lemur S. The Lemur S is a one-of-a-kind utility drone which has been purpose-built for law enforcement applications. We've introduced you to this drone in previous videos, and now we've had some time to test it here in our warehouse to see how its specialized tools and features actually work. The Lemur S has a two-way radio for remote communication, a night mode for operating in dark conditions, a turtle mode which can be used in mission to self-correct after a fall, and finally the most advanced feature, a glass breaker capable of gaining entry through tempered automotive and residential window glass. If you'd like to learn more about the BRINC Lemur S, follow the link in the video description or contact us directly at sales@rmus.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting drone and robotic tech videos.